Talagang totoo na to. Hi James, good afternoon, welcome to Star FM. Ayan, syempre James, sa balita ko may pro-promote kang bago mong album. Ano ba yung mga kanta nga abangan namin sa'yo, James?
It's my second album called Red Alert. I think that's the play of my name. Red Alert. Yeah, there's 6 tracks on it, and it's like a OPM album. All original OPM tracks.
Okay. So James, syempre when writing a song, kailangan may inspiration ka dyan, di ba? Ikaw ba, sino ba naging inspirasyon mo sa pagsusulat ng mga kantang na-produce mo ngayon, James?
Well, actually, the album was written, most of the tracks were written by Tyro and Yumi.
Okay. So syempre habang kinakanta mo, sino bang inspirasyon mo dyan, James?
I have a lot of inspiration. It depends on the song. But usually, it's usually family or girls.
Yan. Sino ba yung mga girls na yan? Pwede ba namin malaman ng mga sargata natin, James?
Sorry?
Pwede ba namin malaman kung sino yung mga girls na yan? Si Nadine ba yan?
Of course, my partner in crime, she's definitely one of my inspirations.
Wow!
What's special about you and her?
Sorry?
Wala na lang.
Ayan. James, any last words sa mga fans mo na nakikinig ngayon? Pwede mo nga i-promote yung mga new songs mo. Siyempre, pwede mo rin i-promote yung Facebook page and the Instagram accounts mo. Go ahead, James.
Yes, this album is gonna be amazing. I mean, I'm really proud of it. This is my pride and joy. I love every track that's on here, and I know that you guys will too. If you want to follow, like me on Facebook, it's just James Reid. Twitter, it's @JamesXReid, and on Instagram, j.wolf.
Alright. Sa lahat po ng mga sarkatis natin, i-like niyo po yung page nitong ni James Reid. Ayan.
Nandun kasi yung mga whereabouts.
Okay. Sige, i-explain niyo yung sa album. Ayan. May mga gigs ata, James. So go ahead.
My album will also be out on Spotify and iTunes the same day it's released in the Philippines. So that's on February 14th.
Alright. Ano pa? Meron ka ba bang ibang mga gigs?
Also, please watch NMK Signs of Love on February 14th. The same day as the release of my album at 7:15 p.m. with me, Nadine, and Miss Charmaine Arnaiz, directed by Derek Frasco Matias.
Alright! Maraming salamat, James Reid! Ayan, maraming salamat mga sargalo sabay. Sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan natin dyan. Ayan, talagang magulo dito sa studio. Ay, nako! Mga sargalo sabay, tutok lang. Dito pa rin sa paborito mong himpila pinapakinggan. Walang iba kundi ang 102.7 Star